Can you hear me now? Hello? Okay, it's okay. Oh my god. So I've been talking to myself for like 5 minutes. Oh my god. I forget to turn on the software. the the software for the mic. I'm sorry. This is crazy. Alright, nothing special though. Um um Hi Neo. Today I'm gonna use the new tray copier, tray sinker. It's a cloud-based tray copier, so I don't have to open the Ninja Trader to copy my trays. So if I take any trade, it's gonna be starting on TradingView's chart, and just let you know, it's a Trader account, not a paper trading account. Yeah, I'm gonna have the higher timing analysis first. So yesterday we got the all-time high again after CPI. This is the envelope. Anyone pass some evals during CPI? Because if you've been learning my model, you should know that it's gonna be like that, right? Because I personally take along with some like not important accounts. It's fun account, but those are not important, so I can blow up then and I don't care. So clearly we got LLL here, low resistant liquidity one, right? This is some price created some liquidity here. This move is the LLL, and it was a SMT with ES. So honestly, I was a bit hesitant, not seeing price with the liquidity, the London low, I guess, or something like that. So, but I did take it. Where have you been? I've been away. I've been away, and I just found that I didn't host any live stream on YouTube in July. My last YouTube stream is June. That's crazy. And now we got a new function, right? Top fan. I don't even know what's that. Someone explain it to me, please. Okay. So we got relative equal high here. Not sure it's gonna happen on in London session, but like it's kind of a liquidity pool we need to keep an eye on. So for this range, we are currently in discount. Price with this liquidity. All right, and these bosses are 1 hour FVG. How to learn your model. Um, the PDF is coming. I know I got some delay on it, but yeah, it's coming for real, for real. So you'll you'll see it inside the lab. What is that useful? What is that feature useful? The top friend, so you can see who like talk the most. Are you looking too long? Yeah, let me take a look first. Okay, here's the midnight opening price. This week, what is this? We get some news at 1. This week, clear the Asia high. For the Asia range, we're currently in the middle of the Asia range. Well, honestly, like since we are in all-time high market condition, I don't like to look for short. And for this range, for this high time frame range, we are in discount. So I would like to look for long, but right now I didn't see any setup right now. But yeah, I'll see how price go. Let me take a look for the fold. 34% bullish, 39% bearish, and 27% neutral. So, oh, it's pretty much the same for each side. You have a crown on your knee. You think we go short first? Not a bad idea, but like if I'm like here, price just sweep Asia high, then I might look for short. But right now we're in the middle of the range. Just for me, it's kind of too late to short. Unless you want to short into the annual. And also with yes, the orange box is the daily FUG, so maybe it's gonna be like a support for yes. So, but I think Asia low will sweep. Just I can't short here. Like it's just risk reward will be very bad for me. The rank is who chat the most. All right. What will come first, PDF or ICT winning Robin's Cup? I mean, I don't think he's joining Robin's Cup anymore. Do you trade on the lab daily? No? Last week I have a stream inside the lab. Because I found live stream kind of boring recently. So, uh, because like I used to stream like 3 times a week. I need more motivation to do that, like more incentive to do that. which I didn't feel that right now. How often do you check on the lab? Want to get it because of you check very well. Wow, thank you. But all my education content, at least for the English version, will only be inside the lab. Any Cantonese or Chinese version. I need some time. I need some time to prepare that. All right. I just really spend so much time on education. If there's enough people who want it, maybe I'm gonna make like a Cantonese version or Chinese version. Right now I'm just rating, you know. I want to see at least yes or NQs with this Asia low or and this thing this first to take any long. Because if yes sweep this low, then we can use the SMT as a conference to take the long. But if both of them didn't sweep it, I just skip the trade. You make money off my trades? Really? Oh my god. That's awesome. That's good. That's good. Get a Discord I paid. I do have a Discord. But there's no premium service inside. Maybe in the future. Right now I didn't have any plans on that. Everyone will want it. You how about the price? How much are you willing to pay? Don't tell me $10 for a month. African version? No, I don't know how to speak in African. Oh, you use my code to subscribe Chasela. Yeah, that's awesome. Um, I've been using Chasela to sync my trading journal. Also use it to backtest. Someone asked me yesterday which what do I use for backtesting. I tell him before that when I just started trading, I used the trading view replay function because it's free, but it also sucks. So if you're already profitable, if you are someone who can take some payout, I will recommend you to use Tracezilla to backtest because it's a platform you can have both function, both backtest and journaling. But if you are still like new beginner, you don't have to use these premium service. Just stay with the trading wheel repay function. Tomorrow I'll be live inside the lab. That's a good suggestion, Stan. I'll think about that. What indicator do you use? This one. I think it's just market session. too many. I got too many. I don't. Let me see. Let me see. I think this one FX market sessions because at first I was trading forest, so I get used to with this indicator, and then I change the session, the time, everything by myself. You can adjust it inside the indicator. You're the only person on YouTube live trading on the. I don't think so. You guys don't know Tom Hogan, the trader Tom? He's famous. He trade, I think, German index, which I don't use it at all. So I sometimes I can relate with it, but I like his thing. And also I think Top Step TV got a trader live streaming for London session too. Be careful with chasing and singing. Happened to you last week and cost me 10. Wow. Yeah, I do some research. I saw it on Twitter. Some people said there's some issues with the saying. So I'll keep an eye on that. Right now I just connect with only Tradify account, which is 5 accounts. So I didn't connect it with other platforms. So I want to make sure I am like familiar with all the features first. But it's gonna be great if I can use a cloud base without opening the trader. But of course, this is a monthly subscription shit. So if you don't want to pay for monthly, Webcanto is your choice. Because I know Tracinker gonna have Project X copy trader, only the fast user have it. So I want those people to test it first. It's a beta version. I don't want to be like their experiment. So I want them try it first and see if it's really working. You're going to subscribe to the lab, please use my link. If you're going to subscribe to the lab, please use my link down in the info box. Appreciate that. And if there's any issues happen with TradeSyncer with my accounts, I will tell you guys for sure. I'm not gonna hide it or what. And this trade copier got a limitation which Replicanto have, but they don't have it. Is when I took some ATM orders, briquette orders on my leader account, my follower account gonna be like exactly the same, have the briquette orders. Which on Replicanto I can choose my followers account to be only execute with market orders, not the ATM orders. The advantage, the benefit of not copying the briquette orders is I won't reach the limit of like the order modifying the orders on TraderVay because they got a limit. And when you use Apex, if you have 20 accounts and you got 20 stop loss, 20 TP, right, and you move it very often, something's gonna happen, all right? Some error's gonna happen. So this thing, Chasinker can solve it right now, obviously. That's also one of the reason I'm not like copying with Apex with them. So yeah. I just let you know they got some limitation on it. Oh, Traded Home stop live trading. Maybe because it's summer, right? This the markets in summer usually sucks. That's why ICT said he'll come back in September too. Maybe I should, right? Maybe I should do that. Are you waiting for the sweep to launch? If there's gonna be a sweep, that would be great. And also, I'm looking. Here we got a like potential IFVG, so I'm gonna see what price we at with it. Right now, I'm just rating. Asia lows in the pay. I think so too. If you're trading eval, you can try with this trade. Because like for funder account, I think not good to try this trade. Anyone bought the Switch 2? I just ordered it last night. I spent so much money these few days. I bought the Sony headphones, the new headphones, also the Switch 2 and some, accessories for the Switch. Once Asia lows gas whip, what would you look for to confirm your long entry? Let me think about that. Well, first I gotta see if there's valid IFVG. Also, I gotta see with the speed of the candle move, which we can see it on trading view, because trading views candlestick move like lagging. You gotta see it on either Trader Bay or Project X or Ninja Trader. You can see it with the speed of the candle, and then you know if the candle wanna keep going down, or maybe it's gonna be a reversal. But of course, I also need to see how yes acting. Morning mass. Whoa, I didn't expect we got over 100 people watching because I've been away for a long time. So I think probably people forget about this channel. How's trade day? I haven't tried. For trade day, you need minimum 7 days to part an evaluation, which I don't like it. I only like promote those I'm currently using. If not, then I won't promote them. I almost forgot about that. So I get a Tradify giveaway ongoing right now. Let me take a look. So whoever used my code Candy during July can enter with this giveaway, and those who purchase the account during July 13th to July 31st can get a double entry with the giveaway. So if you use the code, then you can go to my YouTube post session and fill in the Google form. There's a link for the Google form. And I will announce it, the winners, first week of August. There will be 450K gold accounts and 200K gold accounts for the prize. Yes, because I wanna give it back to those who support the community and help build the community. So only those who use my code can attend for this giveaway. Okay, coming down. Trace Syncer is cloud-based. Will perform allow it if the IP address not your currency? Yes, because they contact those platform, communicate with it, and Tracinker launched in December 2024, so it's half year for now, and I didn't see anyone complaining about the IP address, because if it's a thing, then definitely I will saw someone mention it on Twitter, right? But all they mention is about some unsyncing and some errors, not about IP address. So I don't think it's a big deal for them right now. So who's the top ranking right now? Oh my god, Jerry, you are at ninth pace. Too low. You need the counter your name. You pass your first 50K, you're getting a little nervous. Minimize your size. Okay, we'll see how this candle goes. I know. Now you're number one. And if you're a beginner, it's okay to use Michaels, alright? I know I said fuck Michaels, but I mean, if you just start to trading, of course you're gonna do it step by step, right? But for some people gaming themselves, they trade for 20 years, but they're still using Michael, bro, it's just funny, you know? Because we all know in every industry, if you have worked with a full-time job, work with some company before, you know there's gonna be some employee work for the company for 20 years or even more, but they are still sucks. There's gonna be some people like that, right? In Cantonese, we call them old seafood, which is old and be inside the company for a long time, but still have no ability to do anything. So if they tell you they've been trained 20 years, but they still train Michael, they suck. For real, they suck. They can't handle it. They can't handle the scaling. But of course, you can use Michael to make money. You can. I mean, it's a tool to make money, so of course you can use it to make money. It doesn't mean you've been in the industry for a long time doesn't mean you're good. If for every industry, not just trading, right? If you've been into other industry, you know that there's just some people not good at anything. No, I'm not saying dodgy. Why everyone's aiming dodgy? I'm good with him. I don't think I don't have any um negativity towards him. I'm inside his Discord community. So I'm not saying any bad thing about them. You guys just don't like him. So you want me to talk shit about him, right? I won't. And he's a 21 years old kid. What are you expecting from him? You expect him to be a like expert in trading? It doesn't make sense, right? How old am I? Definitely not 21 years old. Did it take you a long time to become profitable? Yeah, I would say so. I would say so. I know he trades Michael. And no, it's not. He's not trading Michael. He's trading paper, paper trading account. I already told you I'm inside his Discord, so I know it. You joined the lab just for my London stream? For real? Oh my god. So I have to stream more right now, right? Okay, Asia though is coming. Keep an eye on it. You're fighting for your life on X with that bar. When I say I need some support with those haters, why aren't you there? Why aren't you help me? Why aren't you help me to fight back? Those fucking haters. What? I'm not 40. That's too much. I'm sorry, but like 40 is not old. For those who are 40, I'm sorry for that. Not old, but I'm not 40. Shading paper and teaching people to trade is crazy. The reason that John, I'm inside his Discord. Well, first, when I join, I buy a annual package, so I'm gonna be here for at least 1 year, even if I don't want to stay there anymore, because I pay for it. It was a huge discount. I think it's for $350 for 1 year. So I think okay, let's see what he got, right. So I joined it, and he's fun. I mean, um, I'm not talking about educational value, but for the live stream, it's fun. And sometimes I just want some entertainment. And I want someone who also trade ICT concept to tell me what his thought about the market. He doesn't have to be right, but I need someone who's also trade ICT concept, and so I can like compare my trade idea with his. So yeah, that's why I want to watch those live stream. And also for the risk reward ratio, I think he mostly trade 1 to 1 or 1 to 1 to 2. 1 to 1.2. Yeah. How many years did it take you to become profitable? Oh, right. Well, we look at the chart first. So A shadow and these liquidities we're now seeing how price react. Also for ES, it can keep going down, so keep an eye on that. It doesn't mean that like price with the liquidity, then we can enter right away. Not like that. Though I really want to. So for 15 seconds, okay. So I'm gonna see if price goes above this. I will try with a calculated risk. Okay, so we got 1 minute. If not, like price keep going down, then it's not valid, obviously. But I'll keep an eye on that. Did you see that? Oh my god, you didn't see that? I think. Wait. Guys, wait. Oh. Okay. Is he right? So if it's a losing trade, I will be losing 12 points stop loss for this trade. Yeah, I should wait for it to like the candle body close, but like that is the official model if I follow it all. But like sometimes I kind of do it early sometimes. I don't know how to explain it. Because if I do it earlier, even if it's a loss, I don't lose much for that. So right now it's 11 points. So if it's a lot, it's a $450 lose. Where is Ninja? I just told you I'm using Chase Thinker, the cloud-based trade copier, so I don't need Ninja Shader anymore. Yeah, but like for those who use this model, you should wait until the candle body goes above the potential IFG. That was the official thing to do, you know. Don't do it like me. Because the candle body didn't close, but I entered it. But honestly, like when I'm trading, I don't really do it strike. But if it's like you just first learning this model, then you should do it with the candle body codes. Might go to the envelope, maybe it's possible. Of course, it's possible to go to envelope, like here, right? But I'm just willing to risk this since it's like right now it's 11 points, so I think it's okay. And yeah. And this is a equal high, this one. And here is the London session, current London session high. And we got a midnight opening price here, and also equal high above and end dot above. So Um, you don't have to code it right away here. It's just me because it's like more than 24 points, so I'm okay with that. And if you want this London high and also midnight opening price and this equal high with end dot, it's also will be a good liquid pool for the trade. Would you prefer full boot or this trade copier? Actually, I just use it like less than a week. I think use for 3 to 4 days right now. So I'll see how it goes because like both have their pros and cons. The thing I want in Chasinka, Replicanto have it. The thing I want with like the other one have it. So I didn't see any of them are better than the other right now. Both of them got some like some bad things with it. Oh really? Leo targeting thing? Then should I move the TP? In this case, I'm gonna move my TP, right? I need to make more in this case. And you know what? I mess up. I fuck up my consistency rule. I make 5,000 much for 1 day, and it's 35% consistency rule. So I need to make like 40,000 for this cycle. This is shit. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna fucking move it. Can you please turn off as you're getting interrupt? Um, are you using computer? You can turn on the Chrome extension. Go to the Chrome store, search AdBlock, and install it with a Chrome extension. Turn it on, then you won't see any YouTube ads or any ads in other websites. And of course, you can just use YouTube Premium. But we create some liquidity here. If you turn to right, so it's actually not good. If there's a wick down to here and clear some of the sell side liquidity, will be better. Because right now you can see that right. This is like exactly a trend line, just waiting for price to hit it. If just I don't feel comfortable with this. I need a wick to clear it and then go up. Then it's gonna be the best scenario. Hundred likes and you move the TP. I don't need it anymore. The like. Your target is to all-time high? Okay, let me take a look. Wow, it's far away. It's quite far away. Oh, well, it's possible, I would say. Um, when our price slowing down, and we got that sales China sales equity. I really don't like that. Okay, see, just calm down. I hope it didn't clear the whole thing. I hope like maybe this order block, this 1 minute order block can hold it. But we'll see. If this is another W, use my code for next Chinese accounts. Oh come on, it can be a lose. You guys know I don't have high win rate, right? But I'm not hiding, even if it's like a losing trade. I'm gonna show you here everything. You're starting to understand, really? That's fast. And to be honest, Doge's trading model and trading strategy isn't a problem. I just be honest because as I said, I bought the annual package and I've been there for a long time. He got good market insight, but he's not really good at managing the trade. That's also one of the reasons why he can only paper trade and use micros, because he's not good at trade management. Is it not trading knife account? Yeah, I do. I think it's no. I think it's paper trading account. So like, we create a equal low. That sucks. If this week clear this low, it's gonna be better because right now it's like it's equal low. I think it's worse. But at least we clear this, and we will see if this 1 minute CB can be turned into another IFBG. We'll see it. But honestly, I really don't like this equal low. Don't you guys agree that ICT trading just like price action trading? I feel like they are the same to you. Well, we use price action, of course, because like that's the most important thing. But for those people like um I saw some traders that they're just trading with price action, but they never talk about the trading model. They just can't explain how what trading strategy is that, what trading model is that, and keep posting some charts with no stop loss and claiming they're winning a lot of money. I mean, I think their payouts are real. I mean, they did win those money, but I also think they lose it all again. Because if you trade with low stop loss, and you're not gonna win every time, right? Even for a 90% win rate, you still have 10% to lose. And when you don't have stop loss, you're gonna lose it all. Because that's what I saw with some traders promoting with their price action strategy. and just send a payout, send payout, but not chart, not anything, not trading model. Yeah, stop loss is necessary. Yeah, don't say about anything about mental stop loss is not a thing, right? Mental stop loss equal to no stop loss. We've all been there. I've been there too. And I have a mental stop loss. I didn't put it on the chart, and then I didn't use it. I mean, I've been with that, so I understand what it means when there's low stop loss. And I also saw those people posting like they deposit $200 into a broker and then make it to 4,000 to trade without stop loss. Just gambling, you know. It isn't something you should promoting or showing people. If you do that and make some money, congratulations. But it also showing you just a fucking gambler, isn't it? Because you're just flipping the account. It's not trading. Yes, the cells are pretty clear. The equal low. So right now you can hear it right. Like for example, like I said, there's a channel cell security. I don't like it because I assume price gonna come here and take it. And when there's a equal low, I said I don't like it because I also assume price gonna go down and clear it. And sometimes price can like clear it and go straight down, but sometimes price like clear it and rebounds. So we can easily see the liquidity with our own eyes. Okay, it's coming down now. We'll see if it's gonna hit my stop loss or what. Do you consider momentum? Yes. What would be an A plus trade for you? Honestly, to be honest, I don't have that kind of like ranking for A plus or B plus, things like that. I just see if it's worth like my risk. For if it's worth my 12 points risk. Because even A plus setup can fail. It can fail, even for A plus. Like for example, for this trade, I think it's already invalid because it's like it's far from the IFVG right now. So this PD area is actually invalid, in my opinion. If I'm not in a trade and I want to enter it, I won't use this PD area anymore because it's like kind of invalid. Because so many candle body codes below it right now. But because I'm in hit, so I'll wait until it hit my stop loss. It's just like 2 points, right? And I'll see if I'm gonna take another trade because price may keep going down. So I'll keep an eye on that. I will still look for another trade, honestly, if it's a losing trade. What? So it costs one contract because it hit once. What is this shit? What? So you cost one contract and keep going up? That's shit. No. No, if you want to stop me out, you should stop my whole position out. Don't do that. But I don't want to have only one contract here with this position. Just close it. Okay. So it's not valid anymore. Oh, come on. For real? Like, for real? You gotta do it. Oh, and we also got an SMT. For real? This is shit. No, don't you come back here. Oh my fucking god. For real? I don't want to enter right here. Bro. Bro, this is shit. I mean, if I enter right here, it's gonna look like I'm chasing price. Why are you doing like this? This is shit. I'll see if candle body goes above this average. Honestly, this is shit. How can you do that? I hate you, NQ. Fuck you. YM is flying, really? Are you entering? No, no, no. You can see it if I enter, I think. I know I know it's hilarious, but yeah, this is what it is. And is it possible for me to lose again? Yes, it's possible. But it is what it is. Oh, come on! So it didn't close? Why are you faking me every time? It didn't close. Body didn't close. Fuck! I was... Okay, that's my fault. That's my fault. That's my fault. Stop gambling. So now I'm become a gambler. What should I do right now? Go to casino. Stop gambling. Well, if I'm gambling, I definitely gonna like cancel this stop loss for real. I'm going to lose again. Oh, and I'm okay with that. in case you're surprising, but I'm okay with that. You guys know my win rate, right? For the lab members, know my win rate. Losing is like something I get into every day, like literally every day. I'm like 30 to 40% win rate my FH. So you can calculate it. So how many losing trade will I have when I took a win? Right? You can just simply calculate it. And of course, you are those who can accept like losing, who can accept rejection. You shouldn't use this method. For real. You full potting? Only if you're like trading with the val. If not, then don't full pot. Who is YK? Okay, done. We'll see if we get another choice. But I think at the moment, I think I need more consolidation if I want to learn again. Who is YK? How sure? My ATM order is like set to 1 to 2, so I gonna have at least 1 to 2, and I'll adjust it if it's like have some liquid pool nearby. It's melting. Yeah, it can come to M1, but I still think I'm not looking for short. Wherever you like, I'm not looking for short. Nope, I'm not looking for short. It can come to like, let me see. We got some. Yeah. When it comes to the middle, the midpoint of the M1, but I don't want to take any short position with the current condition. I'll wait for another long. And if the long setup didn't appear, then no change. I'm actually glad to show like losing chase because it's real. It's showing it's real. I'm not like hiding it or anything. For those people only screenshot their trades with low stop loss and then say they make and show only their unrealized profit. Here everything is real, including how I react when I get a losing trade, what my emotion is, how I sound like, everything here. Are you looking to only long below Asia low and short above Asia high? Nope. No, not that case. It's because we are right now very close to all-time high. It's all-time high situation right now. So I don't want to look for short. That's the reason. And if I'm gonna miss those short move, then just miss it. W for being real, bro. But I want a winning J rather than just being real. um. Okay, but bad news. Price passed through to 1 hour BC. That is a bad news. That means we are higher time frame bearish. So it's a bad news. We got a relative equal low here. Right now I'm just like waiting for another setup. Because honestly, even if you want to short, who the fuck gonna short in the middle of the range? I mean, not crazy. Okay, yes, here's some daily liquidity here. second long now. Okay, I'm boring now. Streamlab, the board, is the third place of top friends. You guys not talking, right? The board got a higher ranking than you guys. Okay, right now. Oh. We got a 15 seconds IFRG pass with it. And we are now in a second IFRG, 15 seconds IFRG. I'm gonna see if it's also password. Then I may try the last time. Am I going to be wrong? It's totally possible. Okay, it's totally possible. But that's just what I'm willing to risk. And I'm using like standard stop loss and standard contract size. So if it's a loss, then it's a loss. We're currently going up with a 1 minute CB right now. We'll see if price gonna. This is the 15 seconds, first 15 seconds IFRG, second 15 seconds IFRG. So when price cannibalic calls above this, I use it to entry. Should I? Let me see. I wanna put it a little bit upper. Because I wanna recover the loss. Can you see it right now? So I put it with this equal high right now. And it's possible for price to clear this equal high and then go back. So just let you know all the possible thing. Are you top 5, Jerry? You need to go to at least top 3. Jerry, in my opinion, you need to head to at least top 3. You don't have to tell me what Neo doing. I don't like competition, so I don't want it to like a comparison with like other people trading the same session. I just don't like that. I don't even play like competitive games for video games. I'm that much hate competition. What's the idea behind the long? And what? Yes, sweep the daily liquidity. 15 seconds IFBG, 15 seconds IFBG pass through. And also we created a wick, obviously. For a normal situation, I may close it here but I get like 2 losing trades. So if I only close my position here, I will only like break even. So if I want to make money, I need to adjust my stop loss a bit. And after price clear this buy side equity, I will adjust my stop loss. Right now it looks good, but I need this candle. Okay, this kind of close because price pass through this IFBG. I'm gonna adjust it a little bit under 15 seconds order block. And when price clear this equal high, I'm gonna adjust it to break even. Right now we have trend line sales equity, so be careful. I'm hoping this 1 minute order block can be like a support even for price we chase. What is your entry model? I've been talking about that. What is your entry model? Seriously, after 1 hour and 20 minutes live stream, you're still asking me for that? You're the card holder here. You're the best. You're the best. I mean, you can see that even for, I'm not trading micro, right? I'm trading mini and 2 minis. And even for price reaching here, it's only 670 bucks. Like, what are you gonna do with 680 bucks? I just want to explain why sometimes I didn't take partials and why I do with minis and why I do with 2 minis. It is kind of related to the living standard of your current location. I mean, in Hong Kong, I can't do anything with 680 bucks. So what's the point for taking partial or closing the whole trade? I know ICT always said it pay your bills, it pay your grocery store, things like that, but honestly, it cannot pay anything in Hong Kong. I'm so sorry, but it cannot pay anything here. So I need to do it in my way. What's your account size? Is a 50K account. Doesn't pay rent. Yeah, of course, doesn't pay rent. Oh, Jack, you finally here. Okay, welcome, Trader Jack. The best Aussie trader I've ever met. I'm going to introduce you, Jack. So Trader Jack is very active inside Discord. If anyone got some questions about it, I mean, he's the one who changed Michaels. I just, for the last hour, I was keep fucking those Michael traders, and then Jack is here. Jack is a professional trader, and he doesn't need to chain minis anymore because he's fucking rich. He doesn't have to chain, to be honest. So, no matter it's minis or Michael, it doesn't matter for him. He was a prop firm bond trader in I mean the traditional prop firm, not this online prop firm in Australia. So he's the real professional trader. So I adjust it to the London high. We will see. Oh, I forget to move it to break even. Sorry, I was just like. Okay. Sorry, I will see. And for beginners, please take partial here. And also, if you have only one contract, then close your position for beginners. And for those who don't have financial burden, you can at least left a warner. And I'm just being honest, your financial condition is gonna affect your trade performance because when I was poor, fucking poor, and I was in debt, even price up for like $200, I want to close it because that $200 really gonna change my life because I was in debt, right? So that $200 is important. I cannot lose it. That's the reason. But like I'm better now, so I don't need to urge to close the position anymore. Okay, I'm back. When you're with no burden, you're trading big leverage BTC. Yeah, that's the fact. Okay, so we create another channel as I create here. So we'll see if price gonna hit my break even. And I also have to say, like, you gotta know what kind of person you are. For example, if you are someone who did close your position and price come back and hit your break even, you will hurt so much for your mental capital, then you shouldn't do that. Okay? So you gotta understand what your personality is. That's always reason why people would take partial and why some people would just close the whole position without leaving runners. It's kind of like related to your psychology. Like what you prefer for yourself, not just like for trading strategy, but for what kind of condition you feel the most comfortable with. Japanese accent, really? For real? Jack, what did you say? Why you get a warning from Streamlab? What account size would you recommend to start with? It depends if you're using strict to funded accounts or evals. Like for strict to funded, honestly, I will just buy the largest, like 150k size. And but for eval, I will use 50k. And is it necessary for to move to break even? I would say it also depends on your mental capital and your current financial condition. Because I know some traders trade aggressively will not move their stop loss to break even. And those, honestly, those are not poor people. They are already rich with their family. It doesn't matter to lose that much money for them. Because I grew up from the lowest class, so sometimes I can't relate to it. I tend to move stop loss to break even. Why do you recommend bigger size for S2F? Because you don't have to like pass the eval, right? There's no such thing would like to you maybe you're gonna fail the eval because it's not an evaluation. And you can just go there and make money, make profit, and take payout. If price after swing this equal high and hit retrace and hit my break even, I'm also okay with that. So I'm just doing all those things is the thing that I can accept it. For example, like the first two trade was a losing trade, right? And the risk is something I can accept. Even I get another loss, I can accept that loss. And even for this to hit my break even, I can accept that. That's why I do what I do. And if you're someone you cannot accept it, and you need to like for example, this $1,000, the 1,000 payout is gonna change your whole family, or you have to pay for your tuition fees or your child, anything. Then you don't do that. You only do something you can accept it, and also the result is you're okay with it. That's why you do that. What is your ideal 2 to 3 losses a day done, or best to 2 to 3 issues? I don't have that kind of thing, since I'm scalper. I'm not those who use 4 hour candle to trade. So honestly, I don't have limit for trade losing trade. I have limit for risk, the amount of risk. Like for example, like 3,000 or 5,000, or you can be 1,000. If I lose more than that amount of money, then I'm not trading that account anymore. I'm not trading that account, but I can use another account. Okay. And if you're a beginner, if you just start trading, I think you should give yourself a limit for losing trades, because for that losing trade, it can be because of the trading strategy, right? If there's something wrong with the trading strategy, then no matter how many times you try, you're gonna lose. So you gotta understand what's wrong with those losing trade first. Is it overtrading? Is it uh, the trading strategy or any other thing? For example, for me, my last two losing trade is so obvious. I didn't wait for the candle body close. Well, honestly, the second time I thought the candle body closed because I was watching, because I was looking at 15 seconds chart on my screen. So I thought it closed, but when I look into another screen, which is a 1 minute chart, it didn't close. So it's on me. It's on me. I should wait for the rules. It should close above it. Is everyone a scalper in the lab? I don't think so. Do you copy trade all your accounts or one at a time? Right now, I'm only copy trading 5 Tradify accounts with TradeSyncer. How is TradeSyncer? Right now it's alright, I would say. But just like if you want to subscribe, please use the code Candy for 10% off. And I just don't like that limitation, which the followers have to copy ATM orders with the leader. I want it like because Replicanto got that market only feature. So I won't reach the rail limit with TraderVay. But like Chisenka don't have that. That's why I don't think I will use it to copy Apex because it's risky since I got Chinese accounts. I'll only use it to like copy Tradify, and when the Project X beta version is finished, I will use it to copy with both TraderWay and Project X. Did you get any slippage on the forward accounts? No, no. Well, for this part, it's actually better than Replicando, for real. Because I use like 8 ATM order. Maybe it's because I use ATM orders. No, I don't have slippage on forward accounts. But to be honest, I'm just testing it for few days. Like it's the 4th days of using it. I didn't get into any errors right now, but I think the sample size is too small. Like for Replicanto, I've been using that for 2 years. So I'm so sure all the functions I understand how to use that. But for this one, I think I need more time to test it. You can ATM order with Replicanto. Yes, of course. Yeah, of course you have to open the website of TradeSyncer to monitor the trades. Or if you have like any problems, you can just click threaten all on their website. So to protect everything. But right now they got the follower protection, just like the follower guard function in Replicanto. So when your leader accounts have 0 open position, all those followers gonna close their position. So you don't have to worry if their limit orders didn't fill, then what's gonna happen? It will close instantly. ATM for full port eval is important. ATM was not supported 1 month ago. Really? Oh, I don't know that. Yeah, that's also one of the reason. Um, it's possible for me to change my laptop to MacBook, so I'm not really like keen on doing that because I have to move from Windows to Mac, but it's possible. And in that case, a cloud-based trade copier is essential because we can use web account on non-Windows system laptop. Yeah, you need to pay extra $29 monthly subscription for Project X if you want to trade with copy with Project X. Do you have any live stream you would recommend to watch besides the lab? ICT. um, this was the time he keep live streaming, and if he is live streaming, you need to watch his. And if not, let me think about that. If you're ICT trader, I would recommend you also watch those who trade ICT concept because that's important. I mean, for example, like Patrick Willen, he's like entertaining. He's very good at his live stream. Like you enjoy it, but he's not trading ICT concept, so it's gonna mess with your trading ideas. So it's fun to watch, but if you want to trade at the same time, I think it gonna have negative impact to it. I would say Tanya Chase. If you want to watch another, because as I know, he's trading with his like live Ninja Trader accounts, and she also trade minis. I know she used to trade Michaels, but she's now changed, and she used to trade platform accounts, and now she changed to trade his live account. Right. I didn't watch it every day, so I'm not so sure, but I think it's the way. Bro, how long? How long did I have to wait for this? Is it gonna move or not? I'm gonna move it a little bit under the 1 minute order block. Okay, you can see that right. Just I think this is a like reasonable support level. What did you say, Jack? Why you always get warning from Streamlab? Which year ICT is your favorite? Favorite. 2024. Because like 2022 got too many brands and other stuff. And 2016 to 2017 is like just too far away from the current market condition. And it mainly focused on forests. And for 2023, I didn't watch it. I would say his Twitter space is my favorite. His Twitter space playlist. So if I can only choose one playlist to watch, I would choose the ICT Twitter Space archives because that is the aha moment for me is his Twitter Space. If I didn't mention that person, that means I didn't recommend it. That's all. I don't want to talk shit or any other thing. If I didn't say it, that mean I don't prefer it. Why don't I change my stop loss to here? This is too close for the current price. It's too close. It's like 10 points. Jerry's live stream is not on your list. I mean, he's not live streaming on YouTube. It's not live streaming every day, right? Jerry has a job. Tanya is also an ICT trader. I think she's doing pretty good. I mean, I've been watching her since she started the channel, YouTube channel. When I think got only 100 people watching her live stream, I was there. Honestly, right now I think it consolidated for too long, which I really don't like that. Whatever. Oh, Brian is good. Brian is good. When I trade PM session, I watch his live stream. 15 minutes IFVG. Oh, so we are now in a 15 minute CB. You see? Let me take a look on ES. So ES still got a equal high and London high here. And yes, pass through the 15 minute CB. I think we're okay. But yeah, we will see. But if I not talk about mention that trader's name, that means I'm not recommending them. Okay. Because I don't want to like mention others and then talk shit or talk bad things about them. That's why I just simply not mentioning the name. So you don't have to ask me about their opinions on them anymore. Jerry's, when you're live streaming, you're not talking. You just keep playing music. No, no, live streaming. If you're live streaming, you have to keep talking. Like at least like explaining price action. If you don't want to talk about any other stuff. Jeremy sing the song next time. Well, I've been holding this trade for too long. Like half hour. I understand what you mean. You try to talk about other things, but no one answers in the chat. When I'm streaming inside the lab, it's the same case. No one answering me. No one interacting with me in the chat. So I keep talking to myself. But to be honest, I usually turn off the music when you're streaming because it's too loud. So to me, it's still silence. It will get there. Where? You mean it will get to my challenge stop loss? So we're gonna witness it together. See if it's gonna hit my challenge stop loss or TP. We're gonna hit witness it. Yeah, we'll wait until it reach my like TP or stop loss. If not, then I'm not closing the stream. I'm gonna wait until it closes the position. So what I will see. So for supporting, we got this busy order block, busy order block, volume imbalance plus busy order block. This is invalid since this cannibody goes under it. So this order block is not valid. So we'll see all these things if it can support the price. Hmm. So this is the London high, and also the Gripos is the 1 hour CB. So I put the GB here, that's why. And this is a equal high. Price may react with it. Because price react with this 1 hour CB, 1 minute CB. And let me take a look on ES. ES looking good though. Yes, about to hit the London high. You move your stop up and it got hit. You move your stop loss here. Well, it's at least protect your position, right? So at least you make the money, the profit with this move. So it's not bad. A win is a win. I'm bored. I'm bored right now. Uh, Guy, since we already streamed for 2 hours, hit the like button. Though I talk about I don't care about the likes, but still, since we already streamed for 2 hours, I think I did some likes. 今日難玩，每一日都好難玩，其實。Well, I think many ICT traders show live execution too, not only me. What do you do when you don't trade? Live my life. I got a life. My Sony headphone just arrived. I need to pay with that. Oh, you mean portable chains? Oh, welcome to our loyal supporters. We got a new member here. And for those who is a YouTube member, I mean, member of this YouTube channel, you can get a YouTube member badge in my Discord if you connect your YouTube account to your Discord account. Then you will automatically get that special YouTube member badge in Discord. Why Jack is here? Why are you free today? Your kids don't have to go to school. You don't have to take care of them. Kids on holiday. Oh yeah, it's summer holiday for them, right? It's hard to find profitable trader that is willing to share and educate. Yeah, because it takes so much time. It just takes me so much time. And people keep asking me to open a course, but you like, if you have to be a responsible course seller, you need to make sure everyone understand what you're teaching, and it's not something easy. And you want to track how they progress. You want to know, are they really learning, or are they missing some concept or misunderstand something? You're gonna keep tracking this. It's gonna take so much time. And of course, if I'm not a responsible trade cost seller, then I don't have to worry about that, I think. Yeah, sometimes for someone who's good at trading, they may not good at teaching because it's different skills. Trading skills is not equal to presentation skills. Okay, finally moving. Oh yes, here to London, the previous London high heading to another equal high, and here come back to this 1 minute CB again. It's 4 a.m. right now. Okay. Oh, come on, for real. You come back? Don't do that. At least you have to clear this liquidity if you really want to come back. No, I don't want bearish SMT here. Don't give me bearish SMT. No, don't do that. Oh, that's not good because we just have a bearish SMT. I really hate that. Okay, price is highly likely gonna retrace right now. It's so possible to do that. But like not moving my stop loss. You know, I hope this SMT won't work. I just hope that won't work. Oh, for those who close the position, congratulations. Since I already explained why I didn't take partial or anything, so I think you guys already understand that I'm just a trader that don't take partials. And it's not about trading strategy, it's about my mental capability and also my current financial condition and the buffer, how much buffer I have for my current account. These all things gonna affect if you're gonna take partial, leave a runner, break even, how to check your stop loss. These all things gonna affect this decision. Whether to trail the stop loss, whether to take partial, I think it's never about a trading strategy. It's just it's about other factors. Like yeah, it's personal. It's personal. So right now you can see price with this liquidity and a wick touch this 1 minute BC. We chase back body goes inside this 1 minute BC. So we'll see how this candle will add. Let me see. We are now in a 15-second CB. If it turn into a IFG, it will look good. If not, then I think we'll get to our stop loss. So we'll see how price react with this area. This 30-second CB. If it can pass through it, so then we're gonna have to say goodbye to our position. Jerry, what are you doing? You giving me some narrative or what? Oh no. It's not about if I trade go or not. It's if that trader's not trading ICT concept, it's gonna affect your trade ideas. Because you guys are not thinking with the same logic, with a similar logic. Cut it out, this is going bearish. I mean, we don't make decision like that. We make decision prior to what we think. It's not like, oh my god, it's coming to my stop loss. I'm scared. Let's call it now. Not like that. We don't act like that. If we act like that, we're gonna be messed up with all my trades. This is what we expected and what I can accept. If price turn on me, I'm gonna lose all this open profit, and I'm okay with that. That's why I set my stop loss here. It's not because I'm sure it's gonna go up, so I put my stop loss here. I cannot sure of anything with the market. I don't care about what I am. You don't need to tell me about what I'm doing. Honestly, I don't use YM for SMT or Six Sister because it sucks. I used it before. I think in 2023 to 2024, I used it before, and just not good. And you will find it not many traders use that for SMT too. And I think they have tried with compared to YM, and see it's not good for your trading models and trading strategies. You're literally striking. If you're striking, then you should close your position for real, because it's hurting your mental capital, and you will feel exhausted. You just shown alive and see we're in the same trade. Oh, Trader Jack is talking. See, I got a professional trader's opinion backing up me. Don't use YM, it won't work. Different structure and mechanism. Okay, I'm confident after reading your comments. Okay, we'll see if we get another bearish SMT because yes, sweep got a new high for this current range, but we didn't sweep even for the prior swing high. I hope this position gonna close before 4:30 because I don't want to stream until 5. You put more trust into SMT with ES, but you still use YM as an indicator. That's why you like that, Jerry. That's why you can be like more profitable than you want. That's the reason. That's why you should drop that if you want to make more money. Fans to Jack. Like this is some financial knowledge. I think it's kind of financial 101 for all traders. Like NQ and ES are both cap rated, and YM is price rated index. So their value is calculated with different method. Is mathematics. Bro, we've been in this range for like I don't know 30 minutes. I've been in this trade for 1 hour. Crazy. I'm holding a position for 1 hour during London session. That's crazy. And I just talk about that I'm a scalper and then I hold a position for 1 hour. That's crazy. Oh, people are asking about is Jack going to live stream? I don't think so, but if Jack live stream, I will watch it. No matter what time is that, I'll definitely go watch it. Just like the function of GBP USD. No, the function of GBP USD is yes. When I trade Euro USD, I'll use GBP USD and also DXY for like comparison and also for reference for SMT things like that. You all hear kids screaming. No, if you buy a mic like mine, when my labor is renovating, you can't hear anything. If you use my mic, I won't hear your kids screaming. And for those who want to get some insight from Jack, he's inside the Discord. You can join it with the link down in the info box. SMT invalidated. Okay, let me take a look. Oh yeah, awesome. But we create another sell side channel liquidity here. Keep an eye on that. Mm. Next step, I will move this stop loss to here under this wick. I just need it to, you know, I think at least get into this 1 minute CB first. DXY is NQ, but you're not trading at DXY, right? You can't trade DXY. So how on earth that DXY is NQ? DXY is DXY because when we trade indices, we can also use DXY for reference, for comparison. Bro, I really think you need to watch more ICT concepts videos. You need to finish his playlist first. Will ICT concept help your marriage? It will get you divorced. You have watching including chapter commentary. Then why aren't you profitable right now? If that's so, you just like another traders that inside the Hong Kong Macau Discord that said she watched all those ICT videos, but he don't even understand how FVG work. Then you have to rewatch it. Probably just like a book. Sometimes when you read the first time, you probably won't get it, but if you read the second time, first time you understand it all. Goodbye, Jack. Jack is going to dinner. So it's already dinner time for Aussie. Australia. Bro, we only got two types of trader, okay? Profitable traders and not profitable traders. So any other thing is just shit. I'm just to be honest here, okay? And we also got another one. We got mini traders for future traders. We got micro traders for future trader. Those are the types. And also we got a paper trading traders. I think Jack also trade newer session, but like male traders and female traders. Why are you still here? Aren't you having dinner? Uh, Honestly, I kind of want to close the position right now. Not because of the prior, like I'm scared it may go to my stall. It's because of the time consuming. It's just too long. I don't want to wait that long. See you, Jack. Do you think Asia and London could be AMD? That's always AMD for the market, like for the all session. The sessions are the AMD. So boring. Um, what are you guys doing? Do you have a time limit to call London trades or just wait? Actually, I have. I think 5 is like the maximum for me. 5. Better to be 4:30, but like sometimes can be 5. I mean that I won't enter any trades after 4, but if I'm already in a position, then I can wait for that. So your London trading window is 2 to 5. Um, I don't remember. Let me take a look. I don't remember. Yes, 2 to 5. This is a ICT London session. You're going to back. Okay, goodbye, Jerry. I'm not moving my stop loss because price get into this 1 minute CB. So it's another internal liquidity and it's reasonable for price to retrace. Seeing is clear this buy side liquidity and get into this liquidity, internal liquidity. And also for yes, sweep this equal high. Yeah. Are you going to live stream on Friday? But you know what? Last week I scheduled live stream for Friday, but there's something suddenly come up, so I can't live stream on that day. And then someone DM me complaining about that. It's not even a live stream inside the lab; it's a YouTube live stream. So from now on, I don't want to disclose if I'm going to live stream on YouTube anymore. If you are the lab member, you will see the schedule, and that's all. I'm not going to disclose it to the public. Oh, you TP? Congrats. And for everyone who are still inside position, well, I can, like, you can just close your position, take partial, everything. You don't have to add like what I did. I mean, it's like my personal choice, my personal risk tolerance. Everyone is different, so it's okay for you to do anything you want with your position. And maybe I'm gonna host another giveaway. I got an Apex giveaway. So maybe this week or maybe next week. I'll see. Alright, that sucks. Price fill the whole 1 minute CB. Coming back right now. We'll see if this 1 minute order block can hold it. Does Jack chase price action? You gotta ask him. He's off right now. He had to dinner. I'm kind of tired right now. Should I turn off the stream? I mean, you can hear my voice. I'm kind of tired right now. I'm gonna turn it off at 4:30. All right. Because maybe there's a move in 4:30. And know whether it's up or down. We created lots of sell side liquidity here in NQ and also in ES. And also just a reminder, Tradify currently is having a 35% off for all accounts. And also if you use my code for Candy during July, you can enter the giveaway with price is for 50K gold accounts and 100K gold accounts. And if you purchase it during July 13 to July 31st, you can have double entries for giveaway. After you purchase it, just fill in the Google form on my YouTube post session. And I will announce the winners in August, in first week of August. So this 1 minute order block did hold, and we'll see how price we add with this 1 minute CB, if it is turned into IFBG or just stay with a CB. The low where you place my stop loss is a potato. Oh, yeah, it is. That's why. That's why I put it. But still, it's still possible. I'm not gonna ignore all this possibilities since we keep creating some liquidity down here, and also we got bearish SMT with ES. So I would say here, these areas is essential. We're gonna see how price we at with this 1 minute CB. What is the indicator that used to display CB? The rectangle. This one, this thing. Here, this one. Can you see that? It's not automated because I'm drawing it on another screen, not the screen that for live stream, showing on live stream. I think everyone's left. You know, in the chat it's only you and me now. Stan. Everyone's left. Everyone go to sleep or go to dinner. You're just listening for. Thank you for listening. That's good though. Okay, I'm gonna see if price is gonna hit it because it's so close to it. I hope it won't reject after hitting the equal high, because I think this swing high is possible. It's reasonable since it's like touching the 1 hour CB. But we will see. Up, 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 up. Come on, come on. I hope it hit first. I mean, I hope price hit this buy side liquidity first before ES hit this week. It would be better. Let me take a look on lower time frame. My TP is your stop loss. Why? Are you short? Great stream for real. I took 2 losing trades in front of everyone. Is that really a good stream? Yeah, please hit the like. Hi. It seems like we got some Hong Kong traders here. But to be honest, I did make some mistake today, right? For those 2 losing trades, I should wait for the candle body close, which the first one I didn't wait for it intentionally, but the second one I thought it closed. I really thought it closed. That's why I entered, but it didn't. So it's still on me. Those are mistakes. Yeah, I'm real honest trade. Thank you. I mean, I thought this is my first time hosting a live stream that long. I've never hosted a live stream longer than 2 hours. I mean, it's been a while. I haven't streamed for like 2.5 weeks on YouTube. That's why I want to like try to make it up. Tomorrow I will stream inside the lab. Any plans after this live stream? I need to have my breakfast. It's fucking 4:30 p.m. here. I still didn't have my breakfast. I hope it's worth it because, as I mentioned before, we keep creating liquidity. So, but I still think it's possible. We got midnight opening price here. We got another equal high. We got an end dot. But price maybe we chase first and then go up. Still possible for that. It's not even brunch. Where are you from, Stan? Where are you guys come from? Like all of you. I'm just curious. I mean, like for streaming for like 2.5 hours, but still here. So I'm just curious, what time is it? Because if it's late night for you, that is quite tough. Italy, Japan, Spain, Malay. Malaysia, Romania, New York, Slovenia, India, Ukraine, Taiwan, Hawaii. I got a manager, former manager when I worked as a full-time job. She's a Romanian and she's so fucking tall. So it all those European that tall. Ireland, Houston, North Korea, Australia. I mean, I'm not short in Hong Kong, but like I'm short. I'm fucking short for in the world. I think since the Europeans are so fucking tall, I think I'm short in the world. But in Hong Kong, I think I'm okay. How tall am I? 165 cm. I'm quite short for for the whole world. Come on, give it to me, give it to me. Just a few porn. What are you waiting for? UK London. Oh, come on, come on, come on. To be honest, if price hit this equal high, but like consolidate here, and then yes, close this high, then it's possible for price to retrace. Do you understand what I mean? Like if both NQ and yes with the sell side liquidity, no buy side liquidity, then price can retrace. Why are you not holding until Asia high? Because we got a 1 hour CB here. It's a higher time frame PDRA, and for my trades, 1 hour FUG have a very important role. So yeah, that's kind of like one of the most important PDRA. And also Asia highs got sweep for this week, so it's kind of not like a valid level because it's sweep, so it's not useful anymore. Oh, I'm so tired right now. Come on. For real, I gotta close the stream at 5. I mean, if it still didn't get into my TP at 5, I'm closing the live stream anyway. Okay, just sweep the equal high. Okay, we're gonna keep an eye on ES. If it sweep this week, then I'm gonna close the position even for the price didn't hit to my final TP. But I think it's still possible. I'm so demanding, right? I'm so demanding. Ah. So I right now move my sharing stop loss to under 1 minute order block. Not W, not yet, not yet. So for yes, it's like 1 pawn to the bicyclity. For NQ is like 4 pawn. 真係好有定力，佢坐住咁多 profit，其實唔係好多嘅啫。It's only like 2,000. I mean, if today is like 20,000, I'm not like that. I'm not acting like that. It's definitely gonna be different. Come on, come on, just 1 pawn. Give me 1 pawn and kill. Done. We're done. Chat. Do you know what are we gonna do right now? We need something. We need something in the chat, right? We need W. We need a lot of W in the chat. Give me W. Everyone type at least 10 W for me. W in the chat. Bro, for like 1 hour and 45 minutes, I think, right? One and a half hour. Finally, we're getting to that. Congrats, everyone. How much is that? I didn't see it. 2,000? I think something. So I took 2 losing trade and then I took 1 winning trade. So right now is my profit is $1,200 for each account, and so I'm gonna show it with a screenshot. I'm using Trade Thinker, the cloud-based trade copier. So you can see that this is today's profit. I didn't show you the whole page because it had my account number, everything. So I think I can show you that. But this is what we got, and also I can show you the trade of way. I think also the trade of way. All right, just to let you know, it's true. So it's like around 6,000 for this London session. Not 5,000, it's 6,000. Okay, come on, Asian. We're Asian. We're good at math. So everyone, for this winning trade, please hit the like button if you want more winning trades. So you can see it, right? I got 2 losing trade, and I just need 1 winning trade. I can win it all back. Not only cover the losses, but also making money, a lot of money. All right. So a low win rate is okay with that. You don't have to worry about low win rate. I'm just showing you here right now. So, and I think that's it. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, I think that's all. If you wanna communicate with me more, you can join the Discord. Link is down below inside the info box. So, thank you everyone. I appreciate you guys still here, like for 2 hours, 2.5 hours, still here, staying with me, keep interacting with me, listening to me. Really appreciate that, for real. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow inside the lab, and also Friday on YouTube. Thanks. Goodbye.